Hi guys. It's been a while since I show my face, so um I miss you guys. It's week 5. I just wanted to get on here and just make sure to tell you guys that you guys are doing a great job. I'm very proud of you. Um, I haven't really seen the point in doing live classes until this week coming up. Okay, so first reminder is that on Thursday we are lucky enough to have a guest speaker. She is a client. Meteorologist or like climate scientist, basically, and she studies basically how oceans affect the climate. Okay, so this Thursday, I'm going to be giving you guys points for you guys to be present on the live Google Meet meeting. I will put the Google Meet code on Google Classroom probably by like Tuesday. On Thursday, you will have at I want you to be there like around 2:05, 2:10. Okay. I want you to logged in. Now, if you have a class, like let's say your 7th period meets with you at that time, I know most teachers are not, but if you do, please email me beforehand, okay? And I will double check that with your teacher and see if it's okay. So please be present. I will be offering extra credit um, if you attend and ask questions, okay, relevant questions. So please make sure that you're there. Either way. So for week 5, we're going to be exploring climate and climate change. I put a little bit about aquatic ecosystems. Basically, aquatic ecosystems, it's, just basic stuff. You're going to do the tutorial, the ones that we've been doing by the state of Florida, and then you're going to post your certificate here. Now, if for some of you guys, for some reason, you don't understand how to post a tutorial certificate, once you're done, okay, with the certificate. I'm not going to do the whole certificate here. So, let's say that this is your certificate here, okay, on the screen. What you're going to do is you're going to press control and you're going to press that little button that's above the 6 on Chromebooks. That's like a rectangle and 2 vertical lines. Okay, and here it is. Here is your screenshot. So you have taken a screenshot. You're going to copy to the clipboard. Do not try to paste this. It's not going to work. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back here and you're going to press insert image from computer. Once you do that, you should have it saved to your computer. Here it is. Open, paste. Okay, here is your certificate. Obviously, this is not the certificate. Okay, so that's how you do that. You could also attach it. Some of you guys have been attaching it like PDF. It's not a big deal. I find it anyways. But just for those of you who are like clueless. All right, once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and you're going to tell me how light, temperature, and salinity affect the distribution of life. All right, and so here I have what in the world have I here? Maybe if I go back here. What is going on here? Sorry, guys. All right. Either way, you're gonna write a paragraph for each of here. Okay. All right. So then you're gonna move on to climate and climate change. And so you're gonna come here on the tour. Okay. Again, these are your notes, so take this as such. I have a lot of resources on these. So once you click, I expect you to click on each number, starting with number 1. And this is all about climate and climate change. Okay, so you're going to start off with number 1. Make sure you watch. So if this is 1, this is video 1. If this is 8, this is video 8. This is a simulation game, pictures. All right, so you're going to start with 1. Here it tells you a little about climate. Here's a video. Watch it, okay? Then you're going to find number 2, 3, 4, all the way. Okay, so climate's going to be, I think, up to just climate is going to be 1 through 4, and then the rest starts to talk about climate change with a lot of resources on 8 here. Okay, so make sure that you go through all of these because a lot of questions are going to come from number 8. All right, back to your assignment. So here, what I did a little different, just to make it easier for you, I try to put the icon where you would find the information here. Please do not just Google these answers. I want specific things that come from the sources that I'm giving you. Okay. Let me see if there's okay. For this one, explain how hot and cold water demo. So you got to go to icon 4. Okay, so go to icon 4, find icon 4. All right, so here's the demo. Okay, so if you don't click that, you're not going to know what I'm talking about. All right, so you're going to watch the demo and tell me what does this have to do with ocean currents. And of course, ocean currents are over here. Okay, and also there's little videos on there as well. So make sure that you're clicking and reading everything, okay, from these sources. All right. Anything? Okay. For when I say right here, make sure you're giving me the carbon dioxide reading from NASA. You got to go to icon 7. All right. Click on icon 7, and if you go all the way down, you'll see there's another source there. Okay, so make sure that you're scrolling all the way down, and you'll find the things that you need. And here it is. Okay, it'll pop up in 1 second. All right, so there's a graph. When you click on it, 413.03. This is the latest, March 17th. Obviously, it's right here too. Okay. Then you're gonna get into effects of climate change, and you're gonna play with the climate change time machine. All right, and that's on icon 8. This is this little game thing. It's the time machine. All right, and you're gonna come here and you're gonna put sea level, and you're gonna describe the changes. What would happen if 1 meter, and by the way, this red signifies sea level, land that would be covered in water. So sea level increase. So what would happen if 1 meter? What would our coastline, southeastern coastlines, look like with 1 meter, and then 2 meter, and 3, and then 4 and 6? Okay. Ooh, that does not look good for us. All right. All right, and then finally, there's an exit ticket. Now, you guys haven't been doing Flipgrids. Other classes have, so I'm going to just explain. So you're going to basically research how climate change is affecting a specific species, and that species can be humans, okay? And I want something currently. I don't want how it's going to affect humans in the future, but you're going to research specific examples, okay? There is one that I posted that I thought was very interesting, that has something that relates to us, which is immigration here in the U.S., all right, and how climate change is affecting immigration to the U.S. and why. So that you can click on that one right there if you want. So that's a freebie. But there's all different ones, and it doesn't have to be humans. It could be polar bears. It could be whatever, coral reefs. So you're going to basically record yourself explaining how climate change is affecting that specific species, what it means to the population, and describe what is being done to manage the problem. All right. And so you're just going to record yourself on Flipgrid. And if you go on Flipgrid, there should be one that's set up. Now, remember, we did this for our intros. So you should have an account. Make sure you use the Google. You want to Google. So slow. It's like thundering today. Well, we need the rain though. Okay. So I posted one. Okay. You can use this one if you want, but again, it's up to you. You pick one. Okay. You pick one particular species of life. All right. And you're going to record yourself. And now again, you can record yourself using this. Okay. That little green plus button. And of course, you want to have something written down. You do not want to just start speaking unless you understand it really well. Okay, so you might want to write down a few talking points. You have a 2 minutes and 30 seconds, up to 2 minutes and 30 seconds. You don't have to take that much, but it should be longer than a minute. Okay, so please, I'm looking for it to be longer than a minute. All right, and that's it. Well, guys, I hope all is well. I expect to see you on Thursday. Again, if you have class on Thursday or you have some other commitment, you need to speak to me early on this week. Okay. Otherwise, I expect to see you guys on Thursday, and I keep an eye out for the Google code for that meeting. All right, guys. Take care. Bye.